has finally launched its much awaited Realme 14 Pro series. So I have with me both the phones in my hand. So this is the Realme 14 Pro and this one is the Realme 14 Pro Plus. Well, both these phones come in 3 different colors and variations. Well, talking about the colors, this one is the pearl white and this one is the Bikaner pink. It also comes in Jaipur pink version. Well, let's dive into the features and specifications. Well, speaking of the camera specifications, there's not a lot of changes between these two models. Well, the 14 Pro comes with the 50 megapixel wide, ultra wide and the primary camera. Also, the 14 Pro Plus comes with the, again, 50 megapixel ultra wide, but the 14 Pro's camera comes with a telephoto shooter feature. Well, talking about the battery specifications, both the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Plus series come with a 6000 mAh of battery life, but here's a slight difference. The 14 Pro has 45 watts and the 14 Pro Plus has about 80 watts of fast charging. Well, you will be surprised that both these phones has a special feature which Realme has never launched in any of its smartphones. Well, temperature controlled color changing feature. Well, yes, under certain temperatures you will see the Realme 14 Pro Plus and the 14 Pro will change its colors. So the pearl white and the Bikaner pink that are in my hand can change their colors under certain temperatures. So now let's talk about the Realme 14 Pro's pricing. Well, it comes in 2 variations, that is 18 GB with 128 GBs of space. That costs about 24,999 in the market, but right now there's a discount, so you can grab it at just rupees 22,999. While the other variation comes with 8 GB RAM again, and it would cost you about 26,999 originally, but again there's a discount of 2,000, so you can grab it at just 24,999. So isn't it a steal deal right now? Well, now let's speak about the 14 Pro Plus pricing. Well, here this 5G smartphone comes with 3 variations, that is 8 GB with 128 GBs of space, which is currently in the market at a price of 29,999, but you can get it at just 27,999 at a discounted rate. While the other version is of 8 GB RAM and 256 GBs of space, that is currently in the market for 31,999, but again a discount here, and it would cost you about 29,999. Well, speaking of the third version of the Realme 14 Pro Plus, it comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GBs of space, which is a price at 34,999, but currently at a steal price of 31,999 only. So you can grab up to 4,000 rupees discount on this version of the phone. Well, both these 5G smartphones are sleek, easy to handle, not very heavy, and come with a quad curved display. So what is your take on this? Let us know in the comments section which phone you would like to buy. We would also like to know, and for more such tech videos, stay tuned.